Changing the notification sounds per app on your iPhone can be done, but there are some limitations and the process depends on the app you're dealing with. Let's go to settings first and scroll down to notifications. You can go down to view your list of apps and pick any app from the list. You'll notice that any native iOS app like email, FaceTime, calendar, messages, etc. will have a built-in option for changing the notification sound. You'll just pick the app, go to Sounds, and you can change the notification sound from there. Where it gets a little tricky is third-party apps because those don't have the option to change notification sounds directly within your iOS settings. You can usually simply toggle sounds on or off, but there's no option for choosing what type of sounds that app will play as its notifications. Your best bet with third-party applications is to look at the notification settings within the app itself. Many apps will have separate settings inside the app, and sometimes you can change notification sounds from there. Instagram, for example, only lets you toggle certain notification categories on and off, but it doesn't let you choose the sounds for any of them. If I look at Facebook Messenger, for example, I can go to that app's notification settings, and there we actually do have an option to change the notification sounds. So whether this is possible or not completely depends on the app. That's all I got. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.